So good morning friends. Today we will discuss the multi-wall cylinder engine. So in the multi-wall cylinder engines we have a two-wall cylinder head, okay, as shown in this figure. This is the two-wall cylinder head in which the bigger one is the inlet wall and a smaller one is the exhaust wall. Then we have three wall cylinder head, okay, as shown in figure. In this cylinder head, these two are intake wall and this larger one is a exhaust wall, and third one is we have four wall cylinder head. Okay, so one by one we will discuss the advantages of and applications of each wall. Okay, basically this two wall cylinder head is used in low rpm, relatively cheap engine and medium performance engine. Okay, this type of configuration is used in the price sensitive engine where the cost of the engine is very important, where the manufacturer has to optimize the cost of engine, then this type of layout is considered. Okay, and at the same time this engine is used for low rpm applications, okay, where the rpm of the engine is not so high. So in this case this type of engine is used, this type of head is used. Okay, in this you see that this in this head this inlet wall is bigger in diameter as compared to exhaust wall. So what is the reason behind this? So the reason is that whenever there is a suction stroke and whenever this valve opens, the air enters inside the cylinder due to the pressure difference between the atmospheric pressure and the vacuum pressure inside the engine. Okay, more the pressure difference, more the air will be introduced inside the engine. Okay, so the diameter of this valve is kept as large as possible so that there is a least resistance offered by this valve during the suction stroke. Okay, and what happened whenever there is a power stroke and whenever there is an increase in pressure inside the cylinder, then what happened when this valve is closed and this valve is open, then due to the excessive pressure present inside the combustion chamber due to the burn gases, with the help of this pressure generated inside the combustion chamber, the exhaust gases are rushed out by this exhaust valve. Okay, so because of the excessive pressure present inside the combustion chamber, which helps the exhaust gas to pass through this exhaust valve, even though the diameter of this valve is less as compared to the inlet valve. Okay, so that is the reason this valve is kept, the diameter of this valve is kept larger as compared to this. Okay, so basically this engine is used for low rpm engines. Okay, so the motorcycles, small motorcycles, mopeds, etc., scooters, in this type of head is used where there is a space constraint as well as cost optimization is there. Okay, as well as these motorcycles are not so much high powered. Okay, the power output of this motorcycle or scooter is very minimum side. Okay, now we will come to this type of valve configuration, that is three valve head. Okay, now in this case as you see that there are two intake and one exhaust valve. Okay, now what happened, this engine is used for the high performance engine. Okay, for the better breathing of this engine, the three valve configuration is used. Okay, now what happened, in this case instead of one intake valve, two intake valves are open simultaneously. Okay, so as there are two intake valves open simultaneously, the amount of the resistance offered by the air to move inside the combustion chamber will be reduced. Okay, or the resistance will be minimized, and more air will be rushed into the combustion chamber for the better volumetric efficiency. Okay, so this is the advantage of the three valve head. Okay, and this is the exhaust valve. There is one exhaust valve. One exhaust valve is there because when there is a combustion inside the combustion chamber, then what happened? Due to the pressurized due to the increase in pressure or pressure built up due to the combustion gas, this pressure built up due to combustion gas helps us to expel the exhaust gases very quickly by this exhaust valve, one exhaust valve. Okay, so by introducing this kind of three valve system, the volumetric efficiency of the engine is increased. Okay, now this is the four valve engine. Okay, now these are the two intake and two exhaust valve. Okay, so this kind of four valve head is used mostly in racing cars. Okay, where the where we have very little time to very little time for the gas to enter inside the combustion chamber to burn and to exit out to the from the combustion chamber. Okay, so basically this kind of head is used for the very high performance engine or racing engines or very high rpm engines. Okay, now by introducing two valves, what happened? The by simultaneous opening these two valve, what happened? The intake air can be very easily enter into the combustion chamber without offering any resistance. Okay, and at the same time, whenever there is a combustion takes place and during the exhaust stroke, when these two exhaust valve open simultaneously, this exhaust gas should be quickly discharged out by this two exhaust valve. Okay, now this kind of configuration is used for the high performance engine because the intake air intake as well as exhaust, this process should be done very fast. Okay, the time available for the intake intake air and to burn the air and to expel out is very small. Okay, so for that purpose the four valve head is used for the high performance high revving engine. Okay, so the volumetric efficiency at the very high rpm is very much increased by introducing the four valve engines. Okay, so these four valve engines are operated by the two camshafts at the top of this head. Okay, the two camshafts are used to open and close the these valves. Okay, and in some case the manufacturers and can even use the single camshaft to operate all the four valves. Okay, to reduce the bulk and to reduce the weight of the engine. They can even go for a single camshaft to open all the four valves. Okay, so in international market, Honda Motor Corporation use the single overhead camshaft to run all the four valves to operate its engine, so that the efficiency, weight and rotational inertia of the engine can be reduced and the engine will become more responsive and refined, and at the same time more fuel efficient engine should be so that they can introduce a single overhead camshaft to operate all the four valves. Okay, so this is all about the various types of heads and various types of valves used in the automobile. Okay, thank you.